Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about my trading activities, okay? Because on this channel, I do multiple things. I use multiple tools that is available on the stock market to try to get my money up to the first $1 million. And what I'm trying to do on this channel is that I share my journey with you so you can watch and, come along with me. And, you can get a realistic view of what it's like to try to invest both the long term and the short term in the stock market. So cryptocurrency at this point is becoming a multi-trillion-dollar asset. And, as a good steward of my money, I love to diversify and at the same time, love to grow my money as well. When it comes to crypto, I have a couple of accounts. I have one here with Robinhood that I'm building up, and I also have another one with BlockFi. But this one with Robinhood, basically I decided to be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, roughly $20 a day, $100 a week, and with Ethereum is $5 a day. So that is what I'm looking to do with Bitcoin and Ethereum for the most part. So I'm going to dollar cost average into them. Who knows where Bitcoin will be? Who knows where Bitcoin will be in the future? Bitcoin can end up being, multiple trillions of dollars. If I can have like $5,000 in here, that can easily turn to $200,000 in the future. Who knows? But I'm going to keep on building my stake in crypto through Robinhood and also through all the other ones that I have. At the moment, I'm having a recurring payment of $100 going every Friday into Bitcoin. And from next week, I'll put another one in for Ethereum to get it going to like $50 per week into Ethereum. Those are my two top ones right now. And the way that I look at crypto, for the most part is I look at crypto that, okay, I want to invest in either the gateway. So that means, the Coinbase of the world, and all the big brokers that they store a lot of the crypto. They control the ins and out of the crypto when it comes to the retail people like you and I. And at the same time, I want to invest in established coins that are established and they have value. So that is what I'm looking to do when it comes to my crypto investing. So let's take a look now at my day trading account. This is where I've had the worst situation right now, but because I'm losing like $2,600, but I have faith in my skills and I'm not gonna give up on the day trading thing. So I'm a little bit stubborn with it, but I know in the future it's gonna pay off because day trading is a skill that once you can own the skill, you're basically going to be set for life, okay? Once you can own the skill of day trading, you are going to be set for life. So let's go through this. Around August, I put in about $5,000, and right now I'm down, okay? I currently have 2,300 here, but let me show you guys really quickly the price history of my account here, so you can get a realistic view of how this day trading thing works. Because this channel, I give it to you raw, the good, the bad, the ugly, so you get a realistic view. And for me, I know that in the future I'm gonna be successful with this investing thing. I just know it, because I will do everything within my power to make sure I'm successful with it. So in the future, this will come as proof to show people, because I know people will show up in the future and say he's fake, he's this and that. I would be able to show people this videos, and the internet don't lie. Things that when you put things on the internet, it's always there. So I started with $5,000, and basically you guys just see, day trading is very difficult. Like the market plays a lot of tricks on you where you can quickly lose your money. But like I always say, I believe that day trading is a skill that you can own, especially now that I'm doing something like day trading and swing trading. I think over time I would be able to grow this account, even though it's dropped more than half right now. I think over time I'll be able to grow it. I've had a little bit of luck recently, and the account bumped up, came down a little bit, but it's looking up again. So this is pretty much it with this account. There's nothing much to it. I try to go in and out of stock, trying to make some money really, really quickly, but sometimes I lose money. But for the most part, it's more of I'm managing too many things at the same time. That's why I have this issue. I'm managing too many things at the same time. Like when I have some swing trades that I'm trying to see when to buy in, when to get out, those things, like I have that going, then I will look at my screen and see that, damn, there's a quick opportunity to day trade, jump on the trade and not pay attention. It's more of things like that. So I'm just trying to find a balance where, do I focus on swing trading first? Once I finish my swing trading, then I'll now wait for opportunities for day trade and just focus on that and see how I can make money with that. So that is what I'm trying to focus on for the most part. And at the same time, I'm basically trying to focus on my risk management as well. So putting a certain amount of money into a trade, and if I lose past, like at this point, I'm like, okay, if I lose past like 3 to 5%, I'm out of the trade. I wait for a better opportunity. So that is what I'm trying to focus on. So I'm still balancing things out. I think over time I will come up ahead with this. It's just taking a little bit of time to just navigate the world of trading and, just being able to come out on top with it. So I hope you appreciate the transparency. So for the most part, I started this account with $5,000. I'm down so far from my calculations. From the TD Ameritrade account, this account, I'm down 2,600. Okay, that is the TD. And from Robinhood, I'm from Robinhood here. If you guys look at the top there, I'm up 2,500. So technically, I'm really only down $100 in the past 3 months, because that's when this data has been from in the past 3 months. So I'm down on one account, I'm up on the other account. So I'm just working on both of them to be up, because unfortunately, if you don't have $25,000, you're restricted as to what you can do with accounts. So I'm just trying to build both of them at the same time. But if I add it up, I'm up for the past 3 months. I'm up here 2,500, and I'm down here 2,600. So I'm technically really just losing $100. So that is pretty much it with my trading accounts. So what do I do from here? What are my plans from here when it comes to trading? So mainly what I'm going to focus on now is to just swing trade stocks. Okay, I'm going to be swing trading stocks, and when I day trade stocks, I'm only going to day trade a couple of stocks, maybe one or two. So that way I just hone in on one and be able to know how the stock move, analyze the stock, get used to how a stock trade. Because if you, like, for example, Apple is a great stock to trade every day. S&P is a great stock to trade every day. The spread on S&P is very low. It's easy to get in and out. Tesla is also a great stock to trade every day. So I'm just going to hone down on those 3 stocks. And I think over time, by honing down on those 3 stocks, I have the chance to be able to basically come out ahead. You see, those are my top 3 right there: Tesla, SPY, and Apple. Like, I'm gonna own down on these 3 stocks. They both move similarly, so it's one of those things where if I jump in one, or I missed opportunity in one, I could get in the other one. Because usually SPY, Apple, Tesla, because Apple is in SPY, Tesla is in SPY. Like, kind of move similarly. So it's easier to, trade those names. So we're going to be doing that, and I'm going to be updating you guys in the future as to how these trades are going. I know they're gonna go well over time. So yeah, I know these trades are gonna go well over time. It's just a matter of time. I spent a long time studying how the charts move. Being able to study the chart and being able to take trades based on the direction of the market is very important. And I've studied it. I have a good grip on it now. Now it's to just prove to myself that I can do it and actually make money from it. If I can go from 10 grand to 100 grand to 200 grand to 300 grand to 500 grand, then that's a different level. By that time I have the knowledge, I have everything, and hopefully in the future I can have a business around trading where I tell people what I'm doing, and if they want to pay to know, that can be a thing in the future. But anyways, this kind of things you get, like, for me, it's important for me to show my process. So in case there's going to be any doubt in the future, I can always show people, hey, go watch this content, go watch this video. That's all I can say. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me wrap this video up. In general, in total, I'm up $884. If I look at the profit that I make on TD, on Robinhood, and take out the losses that I made on TD Ameritrade, profit from Robinhood, losses from TD, if I take them out, I made $884 so far in profit. So I'm happy with that. I'll still keep on pushing, keep doing my thing, and updating you guys. I hope you appreciate the level of transparency that I have on this channel. I love the fact that I'm sharing my journey with people, both people that I know, because I know some of you guys that you're watching, and some people that I don't know. If I don't know you, say hi in the comment section. I appreciate it. Welcome you to the family, to the community, So I appreciate you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Appreciate you for watching. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.